I'm not gonna lie, if I killed 2 birds with 1,000 stones, I'd be so fucking impressed. Are you kidding me? I'd be like, dude, it only took me 1,000 stones. I killed 2 bald eagles. That's insane. You see that? They were just flying, done, on the ground. Stuff it, put it on a wall. I'm American. Let me tell you how little I care about animal rights. Especially bird rights. This morning, I had a chicken omelet. Is it possible to dominate a species more than to eat the mother and child on the same fucking meal? I didn't even do breakfast, then lunch. Same meal. The whole family. 2 generations of poultry wiped off the face of the universe. I killed 2 birds with 0 stones.